Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious tomato pasta that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To make this amazing pasta, I have boiling water. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of salt. This is the best way to cook your pasta. Remember that every pasta is different time of cooking. My pasta is going to take about 10 minutes. Remember to always add your pasta when the water is boiling. Mix it very well so it doesn't stick to the bottom or doesn't stick to each other. And now let's cook it for 10 minutes. Here I want to show you the can of tomato sauce that I have. It's a very traditional tomato sauce. And now I am ready to open it with my little gadget. With this little gadget, no needs to worry that your wrist is hurting or that you're going to get cut with the can. This little gadget really opens perfectly the can, but yet the rim of the cup, it's not sharp. That's very important. You really have to take care of yourself. Well, once this is done, let me show you how easy it is to remove the top. You press it one more time, it will release, and now you're ready to open your can. Look at this. And like I said, the edges are not rough, are not sharp at all. And here I want to continue, of course, with the 5 garlic cloves. I am going to wake them up really good by smashing them just like that, and then I'm ready to dice away. Dice really good until it's nice and fine. This part is very important. You really want to wake up the garlic cloves. You really want the garlic to really release all the amazing flavor into this amazing sauce that we're going to add it into. Look at this. This is a very easy pasta recipe. The sauce is just amazing, and I am sure that once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with it. You could add this pasta to chicken, to meat, to fish, you decide, or even just have it on its own with the toast bread with butter. Yes, with the toast bread and butter. Well, here I have all the ingredients. I have the diced garlic, really diced chicken bouillon, sour cream, parsley, butter, Parmesan cheese, and 1 can of 16 ounces of the tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of parsley. And now I am ready to remove 1 cup of the water where the pasta was boiling in. I'm going to reserve it. I'm going to go ahead and drain the pasta. After you drain it, just leave it there for just a couple minutes while you start making amazing pasta, amazing sauce. Here in the same pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted away completely, I am ready to start adding the garlic. Remember, the garlic is really going to infuse the sauce. So once this is melted, I'm adding the garlic. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure that it's covered completely. Just like that. Look at this. This sauce really comes really delicious. It's really creamy and nice and thick. I'm going to add the 1 can of 16 ounces of the tomato sauce, the traditional style. To this, I'm going to add the 1 cup of the water of the pasta. Remember that we reserved 1 cup. Okay, now I'm ready to just incorporate really good making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. I have this in medium-high heat. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of sour cream, the one you use for tacos. I'm going to incorporate it really good, and you already see the color changing. It's nice and creamy now with the sour cream. I'm going to leave it here, making sure that it starts bubbling away before I start adding the pasta. Once it starts bubbling from the center, then I am ready to add the cooked pasta. Remember to not overcook your pasta. You want your pasta to be al dente. Once you add it to the sauce is nice and hot. I'm going to add the parsley, and I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. Once you add these 2 ingredients, just cook it for 2 more minutes. You will see the bubbling in the center, and that means the pasta is done. You don't want to overcook your pasta. You want to make sure that your pasta is still al dente. Remember, when you turn off your stove, the pasta continues cooking. So here, let me show you from close up how this looks. Already you could see the little bubbles in the center. Once you see the bubbles all over the pasta, it's time to turn off, and it's time to serve. Look at this. This pasta really comes out so delicious and creamy that you're going to love it. And here, you're going to go ahead and add. I'm going to add the pasta to this plate, of course, heart, and I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese right on the top, and then I'm ready for the presentation. I'm ready to enjoy. Can't wait to enjoy this amazing creamy pasta. I'll see you in just a little bit. With this amazing tomato pasta, creamy, delicious, and of course homemade. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.